Malta becomes first to legalize cannabis for personal use in Europe. This week, Malta will become the first European country to legalize the cultivation and possession of cannabis for personal use, overtaking Luxembourg as the continent experiences a wave of drug law changes. Possession of up to 7 grams of the drug is legal for anyone aged 18 and over and is allowed to grow up to 4 cannabis plants at home, and up to 50 grams of the dry product can be stored. Following a vote for the law in Malta's parliament on Tuesday, the bill will be signed by the president to be passed at the weekend, the minister in charge, Owen Bonisi, told. The move by Malta, the smallest EU member state, will be followed by reforms across Europe in 2022. Germany recently announced plans to build a regulated market following announcement by the governments of Switzerland, Luxembourg, and Netherlands. A referendum is planned in Italy, while Canada, Mexico, and 18 US states have already passed similar laws. In contrast, the Boris Johnson government in Britain has been charged with a Richard Nixon style war on drugs approach after maintaining a strict approach to cannabis use and issuing criminal sanctions against Class A drug users with a 10-year strategy. Bonisi says his government does not want to promote drugs, but there is no evidence that cannabis use is itself a gateway to more violent substances. He said there is now a wave of understanding that abuse of cannabis users is disproportionate, unfair, and causes great harm to those who live exemplary lives. But the fact that they use cannabis personally puts them in the jaws of crime. He added, I am very pleased that Malta will be the first country to fully put its words in its legislation with a regulator. The change in approach taken by the number of European governments follows a UN decision last December to remove cannabis from a list of drugs that have been classified as potentially addictive, harmful, and have a little or no therapeutic benefit. The Maltese approach aims to avoid criminalizing cannabis use while ensuring regulations to ensure harm reduction, Bonisi said. Possession of up to 28 grams is punishable by a fine of 50 to 100 euros, but without a criminal record. Anyone under the age of 18 found in possession should face a judicial committee to recommend a treatment plan rather than be arrested. Anyone who consumes cannabis in front of a child can be fined between 300 and 500 euros. In addition to allowing people to grow a plant at home, even if it is not visible to the public, non-profit cannabis clubs will be legal to grow the drug for distribution to their members as organizations tolerated in Spain and the Netherlands. Membership in the club is limited to 500 people and only 7 grams per day can be shared with each person, with a maximum of 50 grams per month. Organizations no less than 250 meters from a school, club, or youth center can also distribute up to 20 cannabis seeds each month. Bonisi said his government had debated at length about whether the effectiveness of cannabis that could be grown and used should be controlled by the concentration of the psychoactive ingredient or the main mood altering agent, delta 9 tetrahydrocannabinol, he said. We had a massive internal discussions about it, and we came to the conclusion that you are going to create a new market for the black market when the power of cannabis, the THC level, is going to be. What we need to do is to educate people and inform them after day. The Netherlands is probably the European country most frequently associated with casual cannabis use. However, recreational use, possession, and trade is technically illegal there. Instead, the government has a tolerance policy where use is mostly accepted within borders. A test is planned to regulate the manufacture of the drug. Thanks.